Oh, you got it out already. Papa.
What's that? Well, is that juice on?
No, it should be off.
Okay, you got it all. Okay. Let's say with that water back there, we don't want to.
Yeah.
I wonder if there's any way you could tell where that thing was actually.
This.
Are you just going to get a new dishwasher then, or?
I would think so, yeah.
That's what he's saying, but we don't even know what's wrong with it. I don't get it. Are we sure it was hooked up right? Can you tell?
Yeah, there doesn't. I mean, here's the water line.
Yeah, that's why, and it was tight, wasn't it? It doesn't look like there was any
no, there was no
spraying up in there.
And this was the discharge line. There was no problem there. So
Well, that's the only thing it could be is water line discharge, unless somehow it's in a tub or. See, that's the thing. It wouldn't. I'm sure it wouldn't be in the water line, because if it's in the water line, that means it would leak constantly, and it would be it'd be a major problem, because this has been what, 3-4 years, 3 years.
3 years, I think.
Yeah.
Okay, 3 years. This floor would be probably, subfloor would probably be bad even. So I wouldn't think it'd be that. It's got to just be the some kind of leakage when it's running.
With a default in the machine. So we got a lemon.
Yeah.
Well, I think Sears ought to be responsible myself.
Of all times to have a lemon.
Yeah. Brand new lemon.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the reason we pulled that other one out. We didn't want to. You suggested if we were going to get a new one in the next few years.
Yes, I know.
It's all your fault, Greg.
Yeah, I probably shouldn't even say anything, but I'm telling you, I've seen that happen before with the old dishwashers, you know.
Yeah.
Just about the time you go to encase them, boom, that's when they have a problem.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it was a smart move. It just.
Can you tell where it leaked out, Alan?
no, see, that's what I can't. There's no obvious signs
Or on the floor.
on the floor.
You know, the funny thing about it is, too, what I'm seeing here, of course, there's some water spillage there a little bit, but it looks like most of it was coming from the front. The way the floor is here.
Maybe the bottom of the door didn't seal shut.
Because there's definitely been enough moisture down here. I don't think it's a vent. I think it's sure that's off.
Well, we hope.
I'm trying to think, how do you even get into this thing?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Yeah, I guess. Well, set it down.
Let's see that. Let's just see that.
Water.
Yeah, that keeps from draining.
Set it down.
Pop it back up.
Take another look at this.
There we go. It misses it. Oh, shoot. Oh, you got it coming out of there too?
Yeah.
Is there water in this, maybe?
It must have been, yeah.
I thought I opened that the first time. I thought it looked dry. Yeah, it definitely comes from here, huh? It must be. I don't know much about dishwashers, so I don't. Well, that's dry in there. Yeah, I'm see where we're at.
There's no access.
Huh.
Alright, let's put it back down.
There's no access from the front.
No.
Huh.
Slap her back down. Try it again.
Well, that is crazy. What's this screw right here? There, right there.
Yeah, that's so.
Yes, that's holding that. I'll bet that thing will flop off if we. But that's on the front.
Oh, we're getting moved.
Yeah, I don't know. Is that coming? Let's take the drain. Well, it ain't coming from there, I don't think. Now, they're both up there. I don't know if I can lift them or not.
Got any ideas? Peek in there, see what you think.
That water there is coming from somewhere that's puddling, and I'm not sure. I think that's, for some reason, it's.
We need the repairman here too, don't we, Wyatt?
Yeah, that's got to be the screw right there. It pops that off. Would it help if I leaned it back, maybe?
I just need yeah, maybe.
Okay. Let's see. That help you any? You got that one right the size right the first time now. Lemon rice.
Lucky guess. Okay, there's
Okay, get it off.
that. Yep.
Okay.
I'll have to take a look on that, I don't know. Okay, drop her down.
There's a metal thing by your knee, Papa.
Oh, thanks.
Okay, wanna get it out in the garage, or how you wanna?
Yeah, may as well just
It's up to you.
disconnect it at this point.
Yeah, I think that's.
Is there anyone can you grab a hold of anything back there?
I can't. Right here. Gotcha.
Hey Wyatt, your turn to the door.
Okay.
Gotcha.
Cord underneath you.
Okay, got it.
Don't trip on the rug.
Hold up here.
Yep, I've got it.
Door's open. Okay, you're coming to the step.
Okay. You're right at the step, Gary.
Gotcha.